Yan. So, basically, ito yung mga nasa tabi ng ng Bayan Park. Yung bagong bukas na Bayan Park dito sa Baguio City. So, it is actually surrounded with a lot of trees. Yan, kita nyo maraming kotse. So, ibig sabihin doon, meron tayong residential around it. Yan. Okay. So, let's see further what else ang kanyang kabuuan. Yan. Yan. And, ito yung isa sa mga entrances niya. Kapag yung jeep niya pumunta dito sa area na to, kita niyo yan, pink na barangay hall. Pwede mo ba? Pero unfortunately, close siya. Diba? Yan. Pag umikot yung jeep niya dyan, okay lang yan. Alpas! Mapad. Ayan. Okay lang yan. Tapos ikot ulit. Kaya siya Bayan Park. Kasi actually circle siya. So ikot lang siya ng ikot yung mga jeep. Tapos makikita nyo makimaya. So baan dun sa kabila. Ito pa yung kanyang half. Yan, other half. Diba? Kita nyo, paikot lang siya. Meron siyang boundary ba to? Yan. Yung mga beams with na talagang nakasulat naman. Barrier yan. Gates. Yan. Para masabi kung ano kanyang kabuuan. Okay? Yan. Kita nyo yan. Malapit na tayo doon sa kanyang gate. Tapos, meron isang road dito. Sa aking right. Yan na natin na going to Ambion. So, pag lumagpas na kayo dito sa part na to, yan. Yan. This is another na daan na papuntang sa ibang barangay or place. So, lumagpas na kayo sa Bayan Park. Ito naman yung isa niyang entrance. Wala naman lang sulat na exit. So, isa siyang entrance tapos yung isa naman doon din. Oh, may nakasulat pala. Ayan. Yan. Exit only. So, doon tayo sa entrance, syempre. So, umigot lang talaga ako para makita sa inyo na circle siya. Pabilog talaga. Bayan Park Circle. Ganun. Doon sa kabila. Tapos dito naman is Bautista. Ano ba? Yung okay, so ito na ang kanya entrance. Alright. Welcome to Bayan Park. Yan. Entrance only. Wala po kayo makikita na fee. Libre lang po yan. Pagpasok po ninyo, merong parking space. Ayan. So, I guess this is first come, first serve. Hindi naman siya ganun kaluwang na parking space. Kung sino po kakasya. Yan. So, as of today, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, around 15 units na course ang pwede. Tapos dito, yan. Kita nyo ba? Mini theater. Mini theater Pero laruan na po ng mga bata yan. Yung Batang Bayan. Yan yung makikita front. Entrance pa lang. And going here. On our side. Kaya pala, diba? Look at the trash bin. Nakaseparate po ang mga nabubulok. Di nabubulok at saka plastic and paper. Meron din para sa motorcycle area. Parking space. And now we're going to these steps. We're going to walk. Pets are always welcome. And of course, yan, flowers are everywhere.
Wala yung pusa.
Ooh, right. Yan. Alam niyo ba, as far as I'm concerned, for the past years that I've been here, I've been living here though. Kapit-bahay lang sa Bayan Park. Itong mga to, Bayan Park na siya. Park na actually siya. Na-rehabilitate lang. So I guess the proper way of saying this is reopening. Oo, open nga to pandemic eh. Yan. Yun nga lang, tong fish na to, walang color. Ngayon may color na siya. Nakatawa. Oh, ha? Yan. Tapos itong elephant. Yan. Elephant, may color na rin siya. Nakakatawa din. Elephant po yan, elephant. Yan, medyo pakyat na kaya. Ako po ay yan. Yan, oh. Para siyang mini Janhay. Oh. Mini Janhay ang kanyang vibes. Oh, ha? May park na ganyan. Makita nyo? Yan siya. Okay? I think it's good for your children naman. As long as you are there to supervise. So, excuse me. Maluwang talaga siya. As in, maluwang. Though nung pandemic din, open siya tapos partially closed nose, ganyan. Due to some rehabilitation. Oh. Ah, this is nice. Ito ay bago talaga. Talagang na-rehabilitate. Bagong area for children. Yan. Kita nyo? They're not wearing shoes. Kita nyo? Yan. They're not wearing shoes. Because shoes are not allowed. Shoes off, shoes off. Sunken playground rules. Socks only, wash your kids, and of course, kind of no food
Pataas lang, pataas.
is allowed here. Yan, sabi niya, keep snacks outside of the play area. Ah, diba? Actually, lahat po ng area, lahat ng park na pupuntahan pa sa may kasama kang kids, always watch your kids. Sabi nga po eh, kompleto po kayong pumunta, dapat kompleto rin po kayong uwi. Naman.
Kaya nga nakastock yung
However, here yan, pwede pang shoes. This is what they call the outdoor calisthenics. Please respect the place, stay clean and safe, and of course, keep it chill. Alam ko yan, bakit no loud music? Kasi malapit din po to sa school. So, may tendency na mag-practice ang mga estudyante dito. Nakaw? Ang mga music are really something else. But anyway, yan po nyo makikita. Yan. Good for your legs. Good to exercise. Yeah. Actually, may nakita akong ganito dun sa Quezon City. Kaya natuwa naman daw. They have mini calisthenics, and this is good for those who are into obstacle races. Yan, kung ano man ang tawag dito. And there's a kid who's also trying to do that. That's good. So, I think kid-friendly naman to. Yan. Nakakatawa. Mini Janhay. Mini, o, diba? Namalabas ang mga people of the world para lang po mag-exercise, which is really good. Oh. Yan po ang ating flowers here. Yan. So cool. Yan po, meron para sa waist, para sa hands, overall body. Yan, okay. Mini bird ng parket. Medyo may humps. Hindi ko nakita. Yan, and here. Okay, all you have to do is walk on this brick style place. Ayan. Tapos going to the other side. So as you can see, hindi naman siya ganun kaluwang. Pero, good. It has turned into a park. Look at the view. Oh, ha? From this, kita lahat. Oh, ha? Oh, ayan. Good place for family picnics. Ayun, may nagpa-picnic na. Sorry, yun na yun. Yan. Shilak's place. Oh. Nature doesn't care how strong you look, only how strong you are. Yan. Something's missing. Yan, from where I am. Look at the view. Picnic area. Picnic area. Tambayan area. Tambayan area. Pwede man pumupo sa mga yan. Yan. Diba? Kita niyo po yan, may community. This is actually a Bayan Park village. Kaya po it's surrounded by a community, by a village. Yan. Okay, spectators in the area, chillax area. Let's slide. Slide na walang ano. It's made of stainless. Okay, stainless slide. Oh, diba? Yan. Good for kids. Okay. Wala pang bayad Makikita nyo pa walang entrance fee. Walang picnic table fee. Chillax fee. Wala po. Wala. Kita nyo yung area na yan. Yan. Part yun na Bayan Park. Pero still ongoing. And this is what picnic Bayan Park has to offer. And of course rules. And clean as you go. Take your trash with you. No cooking or grilling. Force and stoves not allowed. Respect others. Keep nice down. And share, of course, the space. And, oh, grabe. Ganda naman ng statue na to. Statue. Yan. Check it out. Yeah, I think it also depicts some Cordilleran culture in a very aesthetic way. Okay. Meron yung skating area. Tingnan nga natin kung anong ginagawa nila. Oh, ha? And you can also walk your pets here. Skating area. Okay. I think I'd rather go this place. Tapos ikutin ka naman sa kabila. Siyempre hindi lang po to para sa taga Bayan Park community ha. Welcome na welcome po kayo lahat dito. Yan, meron tayong swing area. Swing. Another picnic area. Picnic grounds. See that view from here? Uh-huh. And I guess this is the most important part also of the park. Yeah. The most important because it's the most necessitated part. It's necessary. You know what this is. Kita nyo, picture of male and female. Alright? Yeah, you know what the place is. Oh my! Look at the park with the garden. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung kanilang tinatanim. Yan, I guess it's a restricted area. So, hanggang doon muna tayo. Yan. See that? Oh. Alright. It might be available to the public. Might lang. Hindi ko lang sure But it's good. And then, lakad ulit. Lakad ulit. So, lakad ulit. Chillax place